Hello guys and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video we are going to review a ROM called Xdroid. Yeah, that is right. As you can see from the settings page itself, it's really a great ROM. The Android version that the ROM uses is Android 11. Now let's go to the settings page and see these font specifications. Now even the font specification page, it looks really cool and yeah, it's really great. Let's go to the firmware information. As you can see, the Android version is 11 and the kernel that I'm using is the latest Fury Perf. So I've changed the kernel. It came with the green force, I guess. I just changed the kernel. Just wanted to use an updated version of the kernel. So let's begin the review of the ROM. As you can see, the ROM uses Launcher 12 launcher as default launcher. I'm sure that you all have had an experience with the launcher, so I'm not going deep into the settings and stuff like that. So the ROM is GApp's version which I have in front of me. And let's see the quick settings panel. As you can see that we just have the normal quick settings panel. The quick settings panel is not yet modified, but it is really great, and the ROM is really smooth with blur. I do agree that you can see some glitches or some bit lag in screen record, but overall the ROM is really smooth. Now let's go to the device information and see the build information about the ROM. The build type is user, and yeah, these all are the details that you're getting over here. Magisk, regarding the safety net, it passes by default, and if you are having Magisk, make sure that you click on the Magisk hide to make the build pass the safety net thing. So yeah, there you are. It's a success over here. So let's go back to the settings. Xdroid, it has a different user interface for the settings page than of any other custom ROM in the market as of now in Android 11. The settings really look cool. About phone, you get the information about the phone, and if you go over here, the minimalist or this green tabbed thing, it changes as your accent color. Click on it and you get some customization options like accent color, system font. You don't have a lot of system font, but you get one or two. Icon style, then icon shape. You can customize the status bar icons, what you want to see and what you don't want to see. Clock settings, traffic indicator. You don't get a lot of traffic indicators mode, but yeah, some, and it is good, it is useful. So battery percentage, battery style, just some basic stuff. You cannot even in quick settings you can adjust the rows. Apart from that, nothing. Gestures, navigation options you have, and you get the option to hide the gesture bar length. That's it. Swipe to screenshot under the gestures. Buttons, if you want to turn on the torch very quick, you can do that. Apart from that, no volume bar customization, and I guess you have volume bar customization. Yeah, volume panel style, you just get two styles. That's it, nothing more than that. Then going to lock screen, you just have the option to customize the lock screen. So it's a like normal styles that you're getting, and you just get the SS12. Basically it's the 12 Android version 12 lock screen, miscellaneous. Yeah, these all are the options that you get for customization. There isn't any much options, any bigger options or any big customization with the ROM, but overall the ROM is really stable and it's so smooth. So as I've already told you, it's really great to use. Even with the blur, I cannot see any kind of lag with the ROM. So as you can see, let me launch an app as an example, Play Store. You can see the smoothness it's launching. Let me click on the Chrome and let it load. So basically, yeah, there you go. The ROM launches the app very smooth. When you are considering to use a ROM, what you are looking for is stability, good amount of battery backup, and some kind of easy to use thing. So this ROM offers all these stuff, and it do have a good user interface too. As you can see, even browsing through the options or scrolling through the options, it's really smooth and it's really easy to use. The camera option that comes with the ROM is default camera go. So apart from that, you have minimal G apps. I have debloated some Google apps such as Google Quick Search and stuff like that, just to get some more battery or save some memory space. That's it. What are my verdicts about the ROM? The ROM can be used for daily usage. I have not yet found an issue with the ROM, since I have used it almost a night, and the ROM is giving pretty good battery backup, and the ROM is really smooth. It's really fast. It's really great to have it on your mobile phone. So that's my verdict. If you want to use it as a daily driver, yes, of course you can consider this ROM to use it as a daily driver, since it passes Magisk out of the box. So that's also really fine. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching Let's Talk by George, and please make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.